We start off by having this paper like this, color side up. Now fold it in half. And fold half again, like this. Open this part out, and we want to make a diagonal fold on the center, just like this. But we only want to hinge here. This is just to make a marking, and the other side as well. Now open off both sides and flip over. Do a diagonal fold along the pinch mark, like this. Same with the other side. Now we want to collapse this into a triangular base, like this. Now we want to fold this point to this point here, like this. Crease hard and open this one. We want to basically just collapse this into an open. Do it like this. This is called an open sink, where we sink the base inside. Next step, use this left one, fold it up, and do a squash fold here. Fold this flat to the back, and fold this down. We'll make a triangle here. Repeat at the back. Now repeat the whole thing at this side. Do a squash fold and fold this to the back. Fold this true triangle down. Next step, we want to open this center out. And you'll see there is two flaps here. Just fold this down and close it again. Crease it hard at the center and then flip this back up again. This is a complete unit when we want to assemble. You can see that this two is the same of the opposite side, and we just want to insert this one like this here. And you see these two triangles will overlap. And repeat the same thing. And finally insert the first and the third together. Always use the same direction of insertion. And once you assemble in 30 units in icosahedron form, you will have this.